tilamis kano dito ka sa Bagyo. Kukunak man apan kami di Bagyo. Hanggang jacket isuna. So kunak kanya na ikatan na to'y jacket na. Takita no madingag ang paspas ti. Lambi. Sabi ko pa sa kanya, mag-gloves siya. Tata, madinga nagitumot ti gloves na. Tumangtangga ng tema na, naiapo. Good mga ka-sweet langs. Dati kabitatan Eli. So, isang stop pa, then Cambridge na. Tatakad winter time man. Kaya, nag-decide kami ngayon na mamasyal kasi matagal-tagal na din hindi kami masyadong nakakalabas gawa ng lagi akong busy sa work. Lagi kasi akong weekend worker as previous day. So, ngayon na may spare time kami that we have the same day of together. So, we decided to go somewhere else and this is gonna be the first time that I'm visiting, that we are going to visit Cambridge. Dumaan na din pala kami sa Cambridge. Nung pumunta tayo ng ano, di ba? Ireland kami. Doon pala kami sa Cambridge bumaba. Pero, doon lang kami sa train station. So, ngayon, papasyal kami sa Cambridge. Mag-walk around lang kami back to Peterborough because we need to do our groceries. Alam niyo naman mga ka-sweet lang, sa Peterborough kami talaga bumibili ng mga isda-isda. Wow, isda-isda. Mag-grocery tayo mamaya after nating gumala. So, mga ka-sweet langs, I definitely gonna see you again later. And hopefully na maganda yung pupuntahan namin. Nakikita ko naman na alam ko yun, sa Cambridge is nandun yung mga famous universities. Sa Cambridge University. And alam niyo sa mga exam ng IELTS, mga nag-take ng IELTS exam, laging nandyan yung example is Cambridge. May speaking, reading, writing, mga ganon sa exams, nandun at nandun yung place ng Cambridge. Yes, kasi Cambridge is isa sa mga famous university dito sa buong mundo, hindi lang dito sa UK but definitely in the whole world. So, bye mga ka-sweet lang. See you later. Mga ka-sweet lang, syempre bago tayo mag-hop in sa train natin, kailangan muna nating bumili ng pampainit. Let's buy some Starbucks coffee mga ka-sweet langs.
So welcome to Cambridge, guys. My name is Herman, the German. I'm not from Germany, I'm from Hong Kong. Lovely to meet you.
Yeah.
Okay? So basically, punting tours are around 45 minutes long. You get about 7 colleges, 9 bridges, and 3 libraries in total. So things like the King's College, the Queen's, the Wren Library, Bridge of Sights, and many more famous sites.
Alright.
This is you, this is me. Don't worry, it's not me today. You might have to listen to our bad jokes on the boat. That's about it, okay? So if you want to do it, we can't operate at -2 degrees. So we don't have any tour set until 12 o'clock.
So it's gonna be 12.
12 o'clock, 1 o'clock, or 2 o'clock.
Can we book 12 o'clock?
You can indeed. So what you need to do now is follow me to my desk and then show the time, give you a ticket, and then off you go, guys.
So it's gonna be sharing, yeah?
Yeah, sharing is pairing, but the boat said free. So I'm gonna give you 2 free seats to yourself, so no one's in. So the boat said, the boat said free. I'm going to give you 3 seats to yourself today and no one sits next to you.
So do you take card?
We don't need to take card, we don't take cash.
Okay. How much for that one then?
So just, are you student? Say yes. Students of life? Yes, students of life?
Yeah.
Just £35 to pay.
Okay. So it's going to be for 2 of us?
Yeah.
So guys, if you want to go here in Cambridge to do the punting.
Yes, please.
Is it punting?
Punting, yeah.
So you're gonna pay £35 for the.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you. You can tap here, please. Give you a receipt, and off you go.
So we're gonna do 12 o'clock.
Yeah, 12:15.
Okay.
Tap in.
I'm not putting it. I'm just trying to find out.
I'm going to leave it here in the camera.
So as soon as I take time off, I'll come back. That's all. Like, the thing is,
Okay, so should I insert
because I
now?
know like we're on team like 4, 5, 6 and on the new variables. I can see like
Yeah. I just haven't.
So do you have a Google map on your phone?
Yeah, I do have.
If you open your Google map, and so mind your price.
So, show you just there, guys. So we've done this before, studying at the
12 o'clock,
university. So they take you from Darwin College. I show you where this is. We go up the river and finish in the same place, okay?
Oh, alright, thank you so much.
Almost
This
50
way.
minutes long.
Yeah, all the way down.
Because we want to go first in like zoom around.
Yeah, straight down there, turn right. You go past Museum College.
Okay. Thank you so
Take care.
much. Hello! Good morning mga ka-sweet langs! And we are heading to Cambridge University. And later on mga ka-sweet langs, di ba pinakita ko sa inyo, magpapunting kami ni my loves ko. So, basically, sasakay kami ng room around kami sa 9 University dito sa Cambridge. Diba? What an experience. Actually, matagal ko nang binabalak yung pamamasyal namin ng Cambridge. But, last summer, but the thing is that, pumunta kami sa ibang lugar and alam nyo naman, hindi na kaya ng budget. So, ngayon lang naming naisip na pumunta ng Cambridge ng aking honey bunch. So, nag-try kaming mag-punting. But the difference is, my God, it was like winter time now. So, the ima is very tagurgur mga kasweet. The tagurgur is real. Nagtagtagurgur ni my loves con kasi sabi ko sa kanya mag-love siya, hindi siya naniwala, hindi siya nakinig. So, ang tagtagurguran ni darling ko mga kasweetie pie. And yes, I'm gonna tour you around mga kasweet langs and see you later. Bye-bye! Dahil wala pa kaming breakfast, dumaan na lang kami ng hot dogs dito sa city center. Ayan, mamili ka na lang dyan kung anong gusto mo. Pwede na din to pang laman ng tiyan kaysa naman magutong kami habang nagre-river punting. Ang ganda ng park nila dito mga kasweet langs. Yes. Sana may ganitong park din sa amin. Parang bawal lang mag-ingay. Naririnig ko lang yung mga huni ng ibon. Tapos pwede kang mag-jogging dito. Ayan, may nagja-jogging. Look at the thing in front of us. Loves. Lamig na lamig yung asawa ko. So, kakatapos lang namin kumain ng hotdog and nag-coke kami. Papunta na kami sa Cambridge University. Ang tagal-tagal, diba? Naglakad-lakad pa kasi kami kanina sa town. And, I mean sa city center. So, ang ganda. Ang tahimik, mga kasweet langs. Walang halos tao. Siguro dahil maaga pa. It's 11 o'clock in the morning. So, maybe some of the people are still in bed. I can't blame them. It's really cold nowadays. Like winter, of course, what do you expect? There are certain parks na bawal lang mag-bike. Street or liko? Okay. So, buti na lang maganda ang weather today kasi yesterday it's a gloomy weather, like foggy and very dark ang kapaligiran, but now maaraw, so it's okay na maglakwat siya. Yeah. Kaya maganda talaga ang weather ngayong Saturday. Say hi, love. Ang sweet niya, di ba? No, bibuya na ba jay video na wala jay video ka ko. Gisam-isam. Gumno kasta no picture am kaya na nagamit ti picture ko kanya na. Gumno siya ti picturean na stunan. Karabaga ng stunan. Di ba unfair? kasweetlangs, ibibigay lang natin yung ticket natin and we'll wait for further instruction. Okay?
Yeah, this is the one.
So,
Hi, what
oh,
time?
hi. It's 12 o'clock?
12:15.
12:15.
So come back here at 12:10.
12:10. Okay, we'll just... Can we just stay here?
Yeah, you can just walk around.
Alright, thank you. So, medyo maaga pa tayo ng 15 minutes mga kasweetlangs and yeah. Hi, love! Say hi! So, mga kasweetlangs, basically, we're gonna be passing by in 7 colleges for 50 minutes with 9 bridges. And actually, this river punting was managed. I don't know if managed by the students, or I would say most of the people that work with this is the students. So this is how they're gonna be earn extra money for their studies, and this is really good to earn extra income.
Alright. How's everyone doing today?
Good.
Unfortunately, my name is not Thomas.
Oh, he said Thomas.
It's Zach. My name's Zach,
All right.
and I'll be punting you down the river today.
Okay. Hi, Zach.
Is everyone here a visitor to Cambridge? Do we have any local visitors? Oh, okay. How long ago was that?
Eto na nga mga kasweetlangs, nandito na kami and you know what? Medyo excited ako dahil alam niyo ba yung pakiramdam feeling ko na sa Venice kami. 'Di ba may punting din sila sa Venice? Dapat daw talaga habang bata ka, mag-travel ka na dahil pag matanda ka na at saka ka lang mag-travel, hindi mo na ma-enjoy yung magandang lugar, yung paligid mo. Dahil ang iindahin mo na pag nag-travel ka na matanda, masakit ang iyong kasukasuhan pag nasa travel ka. So, habang bata ka pa, mag-travel kung may budget. Hindi naman masama. Nabasa isunan niya. Binibilisan na niya. Kasublatan ng labs. You can take it over.
Why are you not here, man?
White building just to my right here is the Crib School. And it's a little bit of student accommodation. It dates back to 1967.
Oh.
So I won't go into detail about what happened. I'm sure you can Prince Charles.
But most importantly,
Who's at the university.
they drove the rest of the
Charles spoke about how
The university.
no longer allowed to remain and study with it.
microphone.
So all these students suddenly had
He said it looked
nowhere to study, but they were halfway through their education. So they had to go to various different church cities across Europe. Many went to London, many went to Paris, and most importantly, a load of those former Oxford students came to Cambridge to found a new university. That makes Cambridge 860 years old.
This is basically the bridge that I saw from YouTube videos whenever I'm searching Cambridge and YouTube channel.
Which, as we've just learned, was more
Yeah.
of a prison than accommodation. It was a place where they did their classes. You can imagine Victorian students looking out across the sea. So if you're a first year at St John's, you'll turn up and you think, wow,
Yeah.
I'll be living in this beautiful building. But inside it's much like any other student accommodation. It's got the same 1970s, 1980s
Yeah.
sort of furnishings. It looks amazing from the outside.
Yeah.
Now what you might notice about it is there's just one asymmetry on this building, and that's the eagle on the main arch. Now, on the main gate of that building, the eagle's looking to the side. Straight ahead of it is Trinity College.
Trinity. Oh.
And Trinity and St John's hate each other. These two colleges. The eagle's looking to the side in disgust. Big rivalries.
Nice love.
It all started in 1547 because St John's was and is a Catholic college really at heart, and Trinity is the opposite. It's an Anglican college, and it was founded by Henry VIII. And Henry VIII went to the man who ran St John's and said, "You need to convert away from Catholicism, and become Anglican like me." And this man said, "No, I'm a Catholic through and through." So Henry VIII chopped his head off, and ever since these two colleges have been bitter rivals. Doesn't help. St John's has a terrible reputation anyway. Being a place where rowdies, water students go. This is the Wren Library at Trinity College, a main old library.
Oh, main old.
It's here to their left.
Old library.
Built in 1696, this one, and designed by Christopher Wren. That's how it gets its name. So Christopher Wren was this great architect. He designed most of London after the Great Fire in 1666. St Paul's Cathedral. So these are Canada geese.
Canada? Oh, Canada geese. Look at the Canada. It's a big.
Real menaces, Canada geese.
Itik. Look at that, Canada geese.
They'll fight with each other.
Oh, diba? Nagdadakkel na nga. Itik, mga kaswiti pa eh.
Kingfisher very often. So when he flies really, really quickly. You see a flash of blue down
Ang daming bridges, mga kaswitlangs. Loves. Wow. Self-harm. Nag-grade ako mga isik again.
Just going under Garrett Hostel Bridge. Just
Oh, another bridge.
this bridge, the only public bridge on the road. So if you want a nice view of this stretch of river, the back,
Yeah.
you can come here to Garrett Hostel Bridge. Nice one. And then right next to it is a little college called Trinity.
Library.
So that's the Joad Library, the newest building on the river. Kings or your lecturer there, if you're lucky, they let you
Dito
live
kami
in.
sa Wae.
Just there.
Dito kami sa Wae.
Yeah, these are lovely.
Yeah.
This is undergrad accommodation. So if
May
you're at
mga
King's
kon
College
dito.
and you're an
Pato,
undergrad,
itik.
if you're lucky, you get to live here in Wadley's Court. So the novelist Sadie Smith, she's one of the most famous British novelists in the past 25 years. And she started writing
Mga
her first
pataw.
novel, White Teeth, in that top left corner bedroom just up there. But Wadley's Court's best known alumnus is Alan Turing. He's the man who cracked the Enigma code. The story of Alan Turing, this genius, and he was hired by the government. They came to him and said, "You're a genius. Crack the code to Nazis, use it to communicate." And he did it. Cracked their code.
Exciting.
Karera sila.
There's a weir just there, and that weir separates this stretch of river from the next stretch.
That's the mathematical bridge built by Isaac Newton, mga kaswitlangs. Enjoy mo naman, loves ko. Ah?
Queens has these really pretty gardens.
Sayang ka rin 35 pounds. Nahan kami nagdengdengan. So basically, ganun pala yun, mga kaswitlangs. Kaya Cambridge, kasi madami siya talagang bridges dito. It connects from one university to other university.
Just here at Wadley's Court. Those are corrections to writing. So normally we don't stick to the truth that's posted as maybe we should. Every single year, because it's Cambridge, the student who lives in that room there posts corrections to our tool.
Yan yung mga bridges. Alas, itsurain ba't ni kataman ata ko sila. Kasi kung pinakakasta na makapag-visit ata. Mag-visit mo na yan. Gisa nagmatitayan mo na yung kita-kat na niya. Mga kasweet lang, pabalik na po kami sa train station and tapos na yung Cambridge tour namin. So, nandito na kami sa city center. And look at that, people. Worth it naman. Though, mali nga lang ako kasi medyo short yung time namin. Maybe on the summertime, mas hahabaan namin yung pasyal namin dito kasi madami palang pasyalan dito mga kasweet langs. Ayan, nasa likod yung husband ko. Hindi kami pwedeng magtabi kasi makitid yung daanan. Ayan. Maliit lang yung mga shops din, no? Diba? Cute pie. Masikip yung kalsada. And pansin ko lang dito mga kasweet langs, ang daming mga nakabike. Ang daming mga nakabike dito. So, tignan nyo, oh. Halos mga tao dito is nagbabike kasi very accessible naman ng bike yung mga lugar dito. Actually, kung dala ko lang yung bike ko, ay magbabike na lang din ako. Pag mag-roam around ka dito sa city center nila, magandang magbike kasi bike friendly naman yung surroundings. May mga specified way talaga para sa mga bike. So, ayan. Nakikita nyo naman. And winter time ngayon, lahat ng mga tao naka-coat, syempre. Gusto kong bumalik dito during summertime kasi magtanim na tulips. Syempre, magandang tignan na may mga dahon-dahon na yung mga trees, may mga bulaklak, diba? Kaya, ayan. So, may mga souvenir shops din dito around the city. So, kung gusto nyong bumili ng souvenirs, madami din namang bilhanan dito mga kasweet langs. Here are some of the snaps taken around Cambridge, and hopefully you enjoy my video for today. And that's all. Thank you for watching mga kasweet langs. God bless. Bye!